Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Codercommune. My name is Anil and today we are going to learn how to install Eclipse IDE for our Java program. So let's begin. So first thing we are going to do while installing a Java is we are going to I have already downloaded here, but for you guys I'm going to download from the beginning. So let's first thing what you will do is write go to the Chrome browser and write Java download, and as soon as you will get a link for the download free software, and on clicking that you will see a page of the Oracle and you have to download Java from here only. Don't go anywhere else to download the Java. Once click on the Java download button. I have already downloaded the Java, so I don't need to download. Once click on the agree and start free download, your Java setup file will be downloaded. I have already downloaded, so I have downloaded it again for you guys. And the next thing you are going to download after this, like once you have done with this option, go to your downloads and run this setup file by clicking on the right clicking on the Java setup 8u25.exe such name, and once you click there your installation will begin. I have already installed Java, so I don't want to install it again. And once you will done with your installation, you will find that there is a folder with the name of Java under this, and here is a file which I have downloaded, JDK 1.8.0 underscore 05. Like such file you will get on your system once your installation is complete. So once you have installed with the Java, next thing you are going to write to your browser, like write Eclipse Java IDE, एंड जैसे ही आप ये डालेंगे तो आपको इस वेबसाइट पे जाना है जहाँ पे www.eclipse.org फॉरवर्डेड टू डाउनलोड्स। तो इस लिंक पे जाना है और किसी लिंक पे आपको नहीं जाना है। तो जैसे ही आप यहाँ पे जाएंगे तो आपको एक ऐसा पेज दिखेगा। यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द डाउनलोड 64-bit if you are using 64-bit operating system, else you can click on the download packages and you can select 32-bit also. Like as you have seen that here is the option installer for Windows 64-bit, and once you click there you will find another option for Windows 32-bit as well. Yeah, here we are. So here we are for Windows once you click here you will get an option for downloading 32-bit as well. Click here Eclipse IDE for Java developers and you will find the rest of the things. Let me show you for 32-bit also. Yeah, here you will get the option for the Windows 32-bit as well. But what you don't have to do this. What you have to do is you have to download the Eclipse IDE installer. As soon as you click on this download 64-bit, you will get a extension this page where you have to install and as soon as you click on the download, your downloading will start just like here. And I have already downloaded, so I will not download it again. So let's move to the download section, and here is so earlier I have downloaded both the files, Eclipse installer and Java file. So I have already told you how to install Java. Once your installation is complete, you have to click on the this installer exe file, and as you will click on the exe file, you will see that a separate page will be opening like Eclipse installer. Let it be open. It is taking a little bit, but once it will open, you will already get the lots of options like Eclipse the IDE for Java developers, or the C++. You have to go with the IDE for Java developers, and once you will click, you will find that you have to click on the install button, and once you click on the install button, your Eclipse IDE will be installed. That's all for the today. Thank you and go ahead. If you face any problem, do mention in the comments. I will try to resolve it as soon as possible.